thing. Go ahead, go again. Whoa! All right, go backwards. Go backwards. There you go. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Go ahead, Dot. Whoa! So me and my son Noah have been having an absolute blast. Here's the control. It's like a trigger thing with the knob here. You can go forward and reverse. We have the drift tires. No, we gotta go backwards. Get out of there! Get out of there! Wow! Get out of there! So we have the drift tires on it, and these ones just make it kind of slide around. But it does come with some other tires. You also have the battery compartment, which is in here. It comes with these 2 small batteries and a charger. We've absolutely been having a blast with this thing. We haven't even tried the other wheels yet, but it's a riot with just these these little drift tires. Go ahead, Noah, do it again. There it goes! Yeah, we've been crashing it like crazy. Whoa! Holy moly, there it goes. Really fun car.